Hi, this is Bob. I'm a guide on Get Set Up, and I wanted to tell you about a course that we're offering called Exploring Your Genealogy. Now, you may have wondered who your ancestors were from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 generations ago. It used to take a lot of work to find out this kind of information, but now on the internet, it's really not as difficult as you might think. And in fact, a lot of the information that's out there is free. You don't have to pay for it. You don't have to use a subscription service like Ancestry.com because really a lot of what they offer is available for free if you know where to look. So in this class, I'll help you find your way through, military records, census records, church records, immigration records, graveyard records, all kinds of things you can do to research your family history for free. And you can even build a family tree online without any cost. There are websites that will allow you to do that. So I hope you'll join us in this course, and I'll see you online.